Ever wondered about the secrets hidden in the Sahara Desert's huge sandy lands? The Sahara is the biggest hot desert, with a landscape filled with golden dunes and rocky flats. It's massive, stretching over 10 million square kilometers. It's like an ocean of sand filled with stories from long ago that still puzzle and interest us. Even though it looks empty, it's actually filled with interesting history and mystery. All over the desert there are buildings, old treasures, and strange shapes that we can't quite explain. There are old cities buried under the sand, signs of people who lived here long ago, and strange buildings that make us question what we know about old cultures. These puzzling leftovers, some only visible from the sky, have kept historians guessing for a long time. They make us wonder about the people who lived here in the past, their technology, and why they built these structures. Now, get ready to learn more about these mysterious buildings hidden in the sandy desert. Imagine going back in time to a Sahara that was full of life and different cultures. Think about the oldest buildings peeping out of the golden sands, like the prehistoric rock art in the Tassilin Aja region in Algeria. Painted on these ancient rocks are pictures of a time when Sahara was green and full of animals. People have many theories and guesses about these, but we still don't fully understand them. Now imagine looking east, where the Sahara meets the impressive Egyptian civilization. Here the pyramids and tombs stand tall, surviving through time. These huge buildings, built with great care and for a special purpose, still surprise us today. They show us how clever and strong their makers were. These ancient things are proof of the Sahara's old, lively cultures. But as we look more into the future, the mystery deepens. As time went by, we learned more about the Sahara. We found some very interesting things, like the Sahara's Stonehenge, the Nabta Playa, and some round shapes that NASA saw from space. The Sahara's Stonehenge is a group of stones arranged in a circle, and it looks a lot like the famous Stonehenge in England. Some people think it was used as an old calendar or a special place for rituals. The Nabta Playa is thought to be one of the oldest places where people watch the stars. This group of large stones was hidden under the sand for a very long time, and people think it was used to keep track of where the stars were. Lastly, there are these round shapes that NASA saw from space. Scientists all over the world are still trying to figure out who made them, why they were made, and what they were used for. But these are still a mystery, and they make the Sahara even more intriguing. The Sahara Desert is like a big silent book with lots of mysteries. We've been exploring this huge hot desert and have found some really interesting old things that people left behind a long time ago. These aren't just old things, they're like secret messages that are written right into the desert. And we're still trying to figure out what they mean. It feels like every tiny bit of this desert has a secret that we haven't found yet. We could learn so much about our world and its past just from studying this one place. The best part is we're not done yet. We're still exploring and trying to find new things. Every new discovery could change the way we think about the past. If you love hearing about mysteries and secrets, you might want to subscribe to our channel. Together we can keep learning about all the things we still don't understand. Until next time, stay curious.